Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator techniques for factors of a number. Tara! First, we defined a factor. Factor of a number is a whole number that divides the number exactly. Ibig sabihin, no remainder. So, we just think logically regarding sa factors. For example, what are the factors of 12? So, ang sagot dyan are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, those are the factors of 12. At tinawag na factor kasi pwedeng ma-divide ng 12 na mga numbers na ito without remainder. So, 12 divide ng 1 with number 12. 12 divide ng 2, 6. 12 divide sa 3, 4. 12 divide sa 4, 3. 12 divide sa 6, 2. And lastly, 12 divide by 12, 1. So again, these are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So that is a factor. Now, paano gagana si Caltech Buddy sa pagkuha ng mga factors of a number? Kasi it's difficult kung iisa-isayin natin yung factors. Baka may ma-miss out tayo or may makalimutan tayo. So dito papasok yung calculator technique. Okay, so ituro natin sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo makuha yung factors of a number, you just press mode 6. Gagawa tayo ng equation. Mode 6 table. In our equation, magkakaroon tayo ng f of x. Lagi nilang pipindutin yung number divide by x. So in this scenario, yung number natin is 12. So 12 divide ng x. Okay, so that's the working formula. And then, equal sign. Magtatanong ng start. Okay, magsisimula tayo sa 1 parate. And then, end. Ang end natin is square root of the number. So, yan yung default na ilalagay sa end. So, square root ng 12. Kasi our number is 12. And then, regarding sa step, laging 1. Okay, so ganun kadali yung calculator technique. Now, second step is just evaluate the table. Malalaman mo na factor kapag pair sila ng whole numbers. So, kailangan pair of whole numbers para matawag yung factors. So, meaning to say, tingnan mo yung table mo. These are factors, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So, factors yan. And then, yun na. So, lahat ng nasa table are factors kasi puro whole numbers sila. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, ganun kasimple kumuha ng factor of a number. Okay? Okay, isa pa, para mas ma-appreciate natin yung Caltech. So, mode 6. Tapos ang ilalagay yung number over x. So, edit ko na lang to. 60 over x. Kasi we're looking for the factors of 60. Then, start is 1. Yung end natin, square root of the number. So, square root of 60. Talagin yung end. Then, step natin is 1. Okay. Then, we will evaluate the table. So, ang tinitingnan is the pair of whole numbers. So, these are the factors. 1 and 60. 2 and 30. 3 and 20. 4 and 15. 5 and 12. 6 and 10. Yung 7, kapartner niya is 8.5, so di yan factor. And then that's it. So majority are factors, no? So isa-isay natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So again, those are the factors. So gamit yung calculator technique, nakukuha natin yung factors of a number. So this is the summary na ating Caltech for getting the factor of a number. Paulit-ulit lang siya. Okay. Now, level tayo ng konti. So, paano naman yung number of positive divisors? So, for example, find the number of positive divisors of 72. So, we're looking for the factors of 72. So, let's repeat the process. Kunin natin manually yung mga factors niya. So, mode 6. Then, our number is 72. i-divide natin ng x. And start sa 1, end sa square root of 72, then step 1. Okay. Then we will evaluate our table. Okay. So, ang mga factors ng 72 are 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, 8 and 9. So, those are the factors. Ulitin natin, dapat pair of good numbers ang tinitingnan. So, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. So, these are the factors of number 72. Now, ang tinatanong, ilan daw yung positive factors or divisor? So, if we will count the number of factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, meaning there are 12 factors regarding sa number 72. Okay? So, the answer is 12. Now, meron ba tayong calculator technique para sa positive divisors para mabilang natin yung number? Yes. So, mahirap kasi kung imamanual yung mga divisors na yan, no? Positive divisors. So, ang caltech natin is prime factorization. So, naturo na natin yung prime factorization sa inyo. Reset ko muna si Calcu para bumalik sa default. Shift 9, 3 equal sign. So, para balik tayo sa default. Shift 9, 3 equal sign. And then, ang kailangan nyo ang gawin is to get the prime factorization of a number. So, para makuha yung prime factorization, shift FIFA. 72 is our number. Equal sign. Then, shift FIFA. So, you get the prime factorization. Now, after getting the prime factorization, you get the exponents. In this case, 3 and 2. Mag plus 1 tayo for each exponent, then multiply. So, magiging 3 plus 1, multiply sa 2 plus 1. So, yun yung general formula. So, 3 plus 1, multiply sa 2 plus 1. So, that is the shortcut para makuha yung number of positive divisor. So, if you notice, we'll get the same result, not 12. Okay, so huwag kalimutan yung mga caltech at shortcut. So, again, this is the summary for positive divisors. Get the prime factorization using shift FIFA. After getting it, kunin yung mga exponents. Then, mag plus 1. So, magiging A plus 1, multiply sa B plus 1, multiply sa C plus 1. So, laging ganun lang yung process para makuha yung mga positive divisor. And hoping marami tayong natutunan in our discussion today. Again, this is our caltech buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discussed, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your caltech buddy. Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!